Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbi, and if you are new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I ventilated the baby hairs and how I styled them, guys, to make them curly like this. So let's get into the tutorial. So I'm going to add a white paper underneath so that I can see clearly whilst ventilating. So I'm going to ventilate the front part only, like the frontal part, and I'm going to be using the same hair that I used to ventilate the 360. So if you haven't watched that tutorial, I'm going to link it in the description, how to make the wig cap, how to ventilate it, and the braiding tutorial is coming soon. So after cutting the hair, just remove the little hairs, and then you'll be remain with the long ones. And then I'm going to be ventilating, picking only one strand of hair using the double knot method. So just pass your ventilating needle through and then pick one strand of hair, then pull it out, tie a knot, then tie another knot, the double knot method, guys. I have a tutorial on that, so I'm not going to explain more about this method. I have a tutorial on that. And just ventilate your hairs, like spacing them out so that it won't be bulky. You want it to look natural, so you have to space it on the hairline, like just what I said in the previous tutorial when I ventilated this wig cap. At the front, you have to pick only one strand of hair and then spacing it out. So after ventilating the hairs that you want, we're going to be styling it. So I'm going to ventilate the front part only, the frontal. I'm not going to ventilate the back area. I just need the baby hairs right here at the front. So like that, guys, you see, it's not a lot, it's not bulky, it's just natural. So pick only one strand doing the double knot. And the reason why I'm doing double knot is because this 360, I ventilated it using the double knot method, and it's also good, guys. Like the double knot method, it lasts longer. The knots are super strong, so it lasts long. Your hair won't unravel. So I advise you do the double knot when you're doing your baby hairs, so that they last long, they don't unravel. Yeah, so after ventilating the hairs, I'm just going to remove that white paper underneath right there, guys. And then this is how the baby hairs are looking like. Just flip them like that, and this is how it like, guys. You see how natural these baby hairs are looking. So make sure when you're ventilating, space the hair out and pick only one strand of hair. So I'm going to use my hot comb to make sure that the hairs are in the direction that I want them to lay in, like that. And then after doing this, I'm going to be using a scissor. So just section half of the hair and then cut off like that. I'm cutting them long because I want them to be curly, but you can cut the size that you want them to be. So I'm going to be using my flat iron, and then I'm going to curl them like that, curl them up. And I'm going to do it from this side to the other side. So just go a little section by section and then curl them up. And then for activating the curls, I'm going to be using my mousse to activate the curls so that they can be super curly, guys, like what you saw during the beginning of the video. Yeah, so just use your flat iron and curl them like that. After curling them, I'm going to be using olive oil mousse. So just apply it on the baby hairs like that, and then I will be using a brush to make sure that the curls are activated. So your mousse and your brush, and you have super curly baby hairs. So just apply like that, and then use your brush to brush the hair up like that, guys. That's how you make those curly edges, curly baby hairs, guys. That's how I achieved it. So if you're interested to see how I braided this 360, I'm going to upload the tutorial soon. And if you're interested in making a 360 wig cap, the tutorial, I'm going to link it in the description. If you're interested in how to ventilate the 360, I'm going to link that tutorial also in the description. So guys, this is the final look. Do let me know what you think about this baby hairs, guys. Do let me know what you think. If you are new, please subscribe so that you watch the tutorial of how I braided this wig when I upload it. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, guys. I will see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye.